Do you know what it takes a man or a woman to build a house? The stress of buying a property in a foreign land, the stress of conducting people who are building for you, the stress you get from your builders or your workers to continue stealing your building materials in a site. I believe all of you know the stress. How do you feel as a human being that after passing this stress, somebody from somewhere will come out and open her mouth and tell you that the property which you have suffered to buy the land and build, all the stress, that they are going to chase you away and inherit your property? How do you feel? This is exactly what is happening. Oluremi Tinubu, everybody now is shouting for that lady in Canada that he should bring her back home, he should sentence her, he should do this, he should do that. But forgetting that the first lady of this country have made such assertion before. That the land, that the property that belong to Igbos, they are going to inherit it. When you as an Igbo man or as an Igbo woman hears this after the stress you have passed through building houses, how do you feel? If that lady called Patience Amaka is a bigot and he have made a statement that is not good, Oluremi Tinubu, listen, I cannot hide words to tell you I'm a prophet. Oluremi Tinubu, the wife of Tinubu, should be arrested. Even before now, she should be in jail because the law is a respecter of no one. If a president commits a crime, he must go in for it. Oluremi Tinubu, the one that called herself the first lady, will be in jail by now. Not only her, there are many other people. How can you be chasing Amaka because he said you give people otapia? Is it no more than what you people have told the Igbos? Is it because they are Igbos? I know it's because of they are Igbos. Because everything is going Igbo. The same crime the agitator of the Yoruba nation committed is the same crime the agitator of the Biafran nation committed. But where is the agitator of the Yoruba? In his house. And the agitator of the Biafran people is in the prison. How can you believe this? In a country that is called a country that follows rule of law. Is this rule of law? Please, if this is your first time of coming across our videos here, please subscribe to this channel. Let us move on. Abike Dabiri, I heard he spoke about that lady, the one that is in charge of the international affair or thereabout. He spoke about her, that he should get her arrested and do this and do that. Abike Dabiri, where were you when Oluremi, the president's wife, made that comment against the Igbo's property? Where were you? Is it not a derogatory statement? Is it not an insightful statement? Is it not? No, because absolute power intoxicates absolutely. You open your mouth and be saying, for me, I don't support anybody who will say he is going to disseminate or send somebody to the world beyond. No, I'm not a party to it. We all should live life because we have the right to live. Nobody. But if we are chasing it that way, Oluremi Tinubu is supposed to be in prison by now for making such a statement. It's not only Oluremi Tinubu. Oba of Lagos is supposed to be in jail by now by saying that any Igbo man who will not vote the governor that time will be thrown in lagoon, that you throw Igbo people in lagoon. He should be in jail today. But today what is happening? He is still in his throne. Nobody, no arrest has been effected. We all cannot keep quiet and see this. Yoruba should not die, and the Igbo should not die, and the Hausa should not die. But anyone who have made an understatement should go in for it. Start, DSS, where are you? Start looking for Oluremi Tinubu. The court, where are you? The Oba of Lagos should by now be held accountable. Even if he did not go to jail, we will see that there is a sanction for him. By now, Lagospedia, the handler of Lagospedia, is supposed to be in jail. The one that made a statement that Igbos, they must state a protest that Igbos must go. It should be. But I have not heard that he was arrested. By now, MC Oluomo should have been in jail now, serving a jail term, because by now the jail term have not finished. He should be in jail by now. But all of these were marched down and looked under, and you are chasing Igbo people. Like, we are talking about that one. There are many of them I need to be showing you. I need to be showing you. These people are supposed to be in jail by now. There are many people. If you go to X, there are many of them. Many of them. Igbophobia on social media X. Go and check him. He made a comment that is very bad. Igbophobia. But he have not been arrested today. Alex Smith in X. He said to attack Igbo and burn down their places, their business places. Nobody have arrested that guy. Alex Smith. Go and check him. He made this comment. Jack Kunle made the same statement that to burn down Igbo houses in Lagos. Go and check them. What of Abtari Dokubo, who said that he's going to use his AK-47 to kill Igbo people? Is it not a bad statement that he should go in for? Is it that lady, Amaka, patient, that is supposed to be caught? Is it more than the statement that most of you that are in the government house have done? Abike Dabiri, I want to hear your voice on these ones. Bayo Ononuga, what of Bayo Ononuga? Bayo Ononuga is supposed to be in jail by now. And nothing is done. You're only chasing an Igbo woman. See, let me tell you. The truth remains that whatsoever that happened, that anyone have committed, you go in for it. And he should not leave Hausa and the catch Yoruba or catch Yoruba and leave Igbo. Anybody that commit that offense should go in. One, we must start from one. Oluremi Tinubu, the president of this country, must be going to jail by now. If Amaka will go to jail, he should be going to jail before Amaka, because the crime Oluremi committed is before Amaka's own. Let us follow it. All these people should start going to jail by now. So that let there be rule of law. We cannot be in a society that we say rule of law guide and we are breaking the law because you are a president wife, because you are a spokesperson, because you have a backup by the president. You say Igbo people must go. Igbo people must not vote in Lagos. MC Oluomo made the statement and is over the news that Igbos should not vote in Lagos. They should go back home. Is it Nigeria we are into? If you want Igbos to go, give them Biafra, let them go. This is exactly what is happening here. And I will not stop saying it until things are done right. Nobody should be treated bad than others. We are equal created, equal before the law. No one is equal more than others. Let this be a warning to everyone.